For attaining salvation, every person, whether it is you or me, has to become free of all debts. If a disciple brings me even a glass of water to drink, then I shall become indebted to him, whether the disciple so wishes or not. The disciple may think that he is doing so on his own, but it is a natural process, and if you offer your services to me, then I shall surely become indebted to you. Until this debt remains, it shall be impossible for me to attain salvation. When I know of this debt, I also know the way of getting rid of it. That is, by giving divine knowledge to the disciple, by giving him sermons, by sharing his sorrows and happiness, and by initiating him onto the path of totality. If you have given me 2 rupees, I have given you something of the same worth. The disciple generally receives more than what he has offered. Hence, an ordinary guru distributes his personal tasks only among a very few disciples. He washes his clothes himself and gives very few chances to the disciples for offering their services. But a Sadguru gives more and more work to his disciples so that the debts keep mounting, and so that he can give back something valuable under the pretext of paying back his debts. Only on receiving something, some knowledge from the Guru, a disciple attains totality in life. A Sadguru is never greedy or selfish. He wishfully avails the services of his disciples. He gets more and more work done because he can then give more and more. Thus he instills a part of the powers of his sadhana and initiates the disciple onto the path of divinity.